In this video we will learn how to create a shift in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the attendance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see attendance setting form. Click on Shift Plan. Then click on the Add New Shift button to create a shift. Enter a shift code. Then shift name. Enter shift start time and then enter the end time. After that, you can map attendance flags in Shift. Select a flag from drop-down and define your policy for attendance. Click on a Save button to create shift. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.